You know the tile already. The bathroom is tile already. So good waterproofing. So cement water now. So care for the shower now. Set it. So we can have a cap it up. Just line it up. To take the tile. So then shower water in the shower. No lid. So we have one of this straight into the shower. So my people somewhere there now, as I say, I cast the shower floor. Yes, I'm mostly have used in the shower. So, you know, if you have a little template and thing. Yes, so these are the size mostly I use. So now when I do this, I obviously use the catch the size, want it the right height. That means when I'm done, I just come notch the floor, yeah, and drop my tile. So that's what I mean on purpose speed.
Look fun this when you're done. Now that's it more. Check it before.
Yeah, black the light.
Oh, I just shoot.
Site more people. I'm still not going to cast at the shower floor. fast water it. So the shower done now, so once it dry, I will cut out it. So right my people, yes, so this is how the floor look like I know. Cast up, it dry. So the only thing to do now is to lay some tile on it. So this is the mosaic where I will use on it. Yeah, so that will fall nice shower. So now they are now cut out. Yeah, so now I will lay them out. Get them cut out. Yeah, so bathroom brought up. Get them now, get them cut out. So now I have to cut them out, then the way I do. Yeah, so I will dry fit them right now. Start dropping in the shower. Yeah, so the shower start dropping. Yeah, so as I said, we pre-cut everything already. So this is the stage where we can just drop in now. As I say, everything cut out. So this is the farm where we are to drain. So as you can see, what if I fall to drain? Yeah. So if you take it from this angle, see there we have what if I fall on the same way. Yeah. So take time around through with it. Try to get it out of the way. This is kind of the hard part of the work for me, I tell some people. They must get them bent up on the sheet. You have to take time to work it out. Sometimes I have to cut out some of them just to try adjust them to them look good. But you know, we have to do what we have to do at the end of the day. Hard working at my people. try to do right and always try to get the line very straight. As you say, something that will twist up. You know, so you just have to work it out to get them straight and nice. Yeah, no matter how bend they want to bend up, at the end of the day, I have to work it out. Yeah, as I say, you want to get the joint them as straight as possible. You know, them bend up on the sheet still, but let me knife. Bend up on the sheet, my people, so we have to cut them out and fix them. Like how this I want to bend up. So we have to cut it and fix it all we want to fix. The thing with mosaic, my people, mosaic one will look straight and pretty, but I'm tell you, who don't understand, you know, that thing that would bend up on the sheet, you always have to cut out and that fit, you know, just to try to make them work. You know, you're not going to get everything 100, but we try to get it as best as possible. Alright, my people, so the shower done and drop in. Yeah, so the only thing for you now is dry and grow up. Yeah, the wall already growed. Yeah, so everything drop in now. Shower nice. As I said, the only thing right now is to grow up. Yeah. People, so line up the shower now, so I will grout it. Yeah, so we're going to tape up the drain. Yeah, so this is growing time now. Show how the growth up and bathroom have a look nice. Yeah, so do we always tape out the drain them. Instead of them nasty up. Yeah, growth bucket there with growth. Yeah, so as we say, growth in time, people. We're done now. Then we go clean up another. Yeah, so once it's grown now, show you what the finished product look like. So alright my people, yes so the shower I don't show I done and growth up. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, growth up you know, clean up. Yeah, so bathroom wall. Yes, for people, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell me what you think about the job then. Yeah, you know, always try to push out some good work. 100% at all times. Yeah. So right to ceiling. As I said in bathroom, I just over the shower. You know, so yeah. Not much tiling. Yeah, small bathroom. Regular size, but the tiling, as I say, I just over the shower. Yeah, so this is a walk-in. As I cannot see knowledge. And knowledge, so just walk in. You know, if he's a wheelchair person, you're good to go. You just roll in your wheelchair. Yeah, so this one set up. Walk in. Yeah. So you know, I always want to send enough respect to the supporters them. You know, the people who make the thing possible. Yeah, big up on yourself. Yeah man. Enough respect for the support. You know? And all of the upcoming supporters them same way. Big up on yourself in advance. Yeah man, so as I say, we're out here trying the best at all time. Push out some good work, you know. No matter how small the job is, yeah, give it 100% same way. Yeah, for that carry the thing in my people. You know? Not the big job, the small one them. Yeah, so we have to do everything. Like life depend on it same way. Yeah. Alright my people, so what you are going on now? Everything growth up. Fixtures are go up. Yeah, glass put up. Toilet put in. Yeah. Vanity up. Yeah man. So bathroom look good my people. Yeah. Just over the shower but you know, have a buzz. Yeah, so if you notice we are going the mixer up on the back. Yeah. Shower head up on the front. I'll give a better view of it. Yeah, so this is the shower head. Nice ceiling light. Yeah. Obviously, bathroom look good, my people. Yeah, you know, so work still going on them place, yeah. Yeah. Shower floor. So this is a walk-in shower. Knowledge. You know, wheelchair can run right in the same way. Yeah. So that's the shower glass. Up and running. Yeah, man. So bathroom look good, my people. Yeah. As I say, things I start put in place. Yeah, tile it up. So the face basin. Yeah. So looking good. Alright, my people.